Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer any crypto to an external wallet from your crypto.com. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, as you can see, currently we are on the homepage of crypto.com. All you have to do is click on the top left corner where you can see the three dashes. And then from here you're going to click on crypto wallet. Once you go to this section right here, it will show you all the coins and cryptocurrencies available for trading. Now from here, all you have to do is click on transfer. And then from here, you're going to click on withdraw. Now, as you can see, there are multiple options, including one of them saying external wallet, which is the one that you will proceed with. Once you click on that one, it's going to show you this wallet where you're going to add the wallet address, or you can use the blockchain domains. So simply click on add wallet address. Then from here, it's going to ask you to select the cryptocurrencies to go with. So for example, let's go with Bitcoin. And right here, as you can see, you can paste the wallet address from whatever external wallet you have right here. And then you're going to fill with the recipient's name and last name, country, and select wallet type. And then at the end, after you click continue, it will ask you for how much Bitcoin. And that is pretty much it. And then once you click on continue, it will transfer it immediately. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.